The best way to gain control of the most intelligent, powerful species on the planet would be to completely divide them from the love within themselves. Scold them and humiliate them if they suggest an opinion that opposes that of their authoritives. Keep reminding them of how cruel their ancestors were to each other in the past and broadcast how cruel they are to each other in the present. Only show them tragedies on the news so that they live in fear and think the worst of one another. Convince them that their species used to be that of an incognizant wild animal. Make them think that their very existence is so incredibly random that they lack purpose and struggle to make sense of a creator. Tell them that their kind is as smart as they've ever been so that they don't question the integrity of the system that they're in. Provide them idols with artificial beauty and use them as examples of what it is to look perfect so that they are never content with their own appearance and can't help but to compare themselves amongst each other. Create addictive digital platforms that rank them by numbers so that they base their self-worth off of the amount of followers that they have and are never satisfied. Build a society around them in which those who have money benefit and those who don't fail. Make money their main focus, but make it so difficult to accumulate that they remain in a place of constant struggle, forced to dedicate the majority of their time to the system that made it this way. Tax them in every way possible, but tell them that it's for their own benefit so that they don't think twice about paying it. Take so much of their time and energy throughout the week, but give them 2 days to themselves so that they feel a sense of reward and don't fight back. Promote the consumption of poison in every social
Buyile sibuya no part 3 lapho khona sihlahlela indlela ama species are intelligent na powerful are controlled ngayo. Unfortunately lo ma species okukhulunywa ngawo abantu, because abantu ibona abavelile ukuthi ba ama species ahlakaniphile okudlula wonke, bana 9 DNA series. Now kule video lengivule ngayo ichaza indlela ongase lama species owacontrol ngayo abe ngaphansi kwakho noma ehlakaniphe ngaphezulu kwakho. Ake siqhubeke nayo ke. Kuthiwa lana convince them that their species used to be that of an incognizant wild animal. Uthi umlungu lana abantu ngoba ibona ba ama species ahlakaniphile kahle kahle usho bona. Uthi ba convince ukuthi okhokho babo noma labo bangaphambili emandulo they come from isilwane esi-wild. Phecelezi bengeke ngizwe mina kuthiwa abantu basuka from imfene. They evolved from imfene. Bengeke ngizwe mina ngeke ngayizwe into kanjalo isho uthisha esho eclassini wolunye uhlanga kodwa. Ethi umuntu usuka from inkawu noma usuka from imfene. So unfortunately kunabantu abayikholwayo lodwa njengamanje ukuthi abantu abamnyama they come from imfene. Uyasho ngumlungu la uthi convince them that their species used to be that of an incognizant wild animal. Kunabantu manje abaconvinced because bahlezi bekuzwa ngisho emabhishu mabegcola abantu abamnyama kuthiwa yini inkawu. Yabo to convince them that their species used to be that of an incognizant wild animal. Ake siqhubeke nayo. Uthi umlungu lana ipoint elilandelayo, provide them with idols. Khona lethe kuthiwa ama idols labantu labani balandelayo, labantu abama idols abayitazeni. Uthi provide them with idols with artificial beauty. Into artificial into yakhiwe. Uthi banike ama idols anobuhle befake obakhiwile, right? And use them, meant to use them, usho the idols, use them as an examples of what it is to look perfect. Lama idols lawo azobe nobuhle befake, they use them ukuthi bafundise wena ukuthi this is how you look perfect. Ngobuhle befake, not ubuhle bemvelo, not ubuhle bokudalwa, right? Ake siqhubeke nayo. Uthi umlungu create addictive digital platform. Create addictive. Kunama app ke siwasebenzisayo addictive. Asikwazi kwayeka ama platforms that rank them by their numbers. Lama app lawa ayakuranka wena ngama numbers, right? So that they base their self-worth of the amount of followers they have and are never satisfied. Uthi umlungu banike ama-app a-digital, a-addictive, azokwazi ukuthi abarenke ngeyinamba, so that bona labo bantu bezobona ukuthi ukubaluleka kwabo kusenanini lama-followers, how many followers you have. And funny enough, these apps are addictive because you have people who do strange things ukuthi bathole ama-followers. Kunabantu abathuka abantu, kunabantu abasongela abantu, kunabantu abenza izinto ezibhecele nje. Usuyakwazi ukubona indoda ifaka iphendi no bra ivele la ibuka umhlaba wonke ngobani ifuna ama-followers. Yabo? Ifuna ama-followers, ifuna leyo self-worth. Amantombazane ayo into ejwayelekileyo ukuthi nje azoveza umzimba, akhangise ngomzimba because ufuna ama-followers. Yabo? Uyasho ngomlungu la uthi create addictive digital platforms that rank them by the numbers, so that they base their self-worth of the amount of followers they have and are never satisfied. People will go to extreme length ukuthi bathole lama followers and they are never satisfied. Right? Ake siqhubeke nayo. Uthi umlungu mufuna ukucontrol lesizwe esi-powerful nesi-intelligent. Qhubeka wenze lezi zinto lezi. Okunye kwazo uthi build a society around them in which those who have money benefits. Nayizwe indaba. Uthi build a society around them in which laba abanemali baya benefita and those who don't have money they fail. That is the society we are in right now. Niyabona nani ukuthi umuntu onemali kahle kahle usungadefenda nje uye le ngisho ungathi ukholwa kanjani enkonzweni lakho uma ungenamali nje kufika umuntu onemali la owaziwayo umhlaba ukuthi unemali, priority will be given to that person. Yabo? Ukuthi unjani benemali nje. Yabo? Kwi society esiphila kuyona ngisho abantu ababoshwayo naba umthetho apply kubona abantu abanjani abangenamali. Uma unemali uyakwazi ukuthi uphunyuke because uyakwazi ukuthola abameli abaphezulu, uyakwazi ukwenza zonke izinto ezenziwayo kweSouth Africa niyazi kwenziwani, right? So kukhuluma imali and abanye abantu they feel like ukuthi they are special because banemali. Nike nibabone nana abanye abantu abanemali, imali kuyamveza umuntu ukuthi unjani, uzibona nje especial. Omunye umuntu engelutho omunye, not bonke. Bakhona abangenalo lo mentality ngoba bayakwazi ukuhlupheka ukuthi kunjani. So usho njalo ngomlungu lana, build a society around them in which those who have money benefit and those who don't have money fail. Iqhubeke nayo. Uthi umlungu lana mufuna isizwe esi-powerful nesi-intelligent ukuthi usicontrol. Qhubeka wenze lezi zinto. Enye yazo uthi make money their main focus, okusho ukuthi kuzophilwa ngemali. Make money their main focus, but make it so difficult to accumulate that they remain in a place of constant struggle. Uthi enza imali the main focus ukuthi kuphilwe ngayo imali. Uthi kodwa kwenze kube nzima ukuthi imali itholakale so that bezohlala endaweni yomzabalazo noma yokuzabalaza, right? Uthi force them to dedicate the majority of their time to the system that made it this way. Uthi enza imali ibe their main focus kodwa futhi kube nzima ukuyithola. For example, ngenzele example elula. Yabona iRand la South Africa mul comparison abanikazi bayo ilento country. I-currency yabo abanikazi baleli country le you-22 rand and 40 something cent. I-pound lengikhuluma ngayo. 1 rand equals to 22. 1 pound equals to 22 rand. Yabo umehluko. I-pound elilodwa mul comparison nerand elilodwa. Irandi lu-22 rand. Ake ngenze ngenye indlela. U-1,000 pound musu converter le South Africa. Right, usuke phesheya le ko Britain uze la eSouth Africa. Musu convert 1,000 la eSouth Africa. Kuzoba u-22,000. Okusho ukuthi mina mengifika no-5,000 from eBritain, 5,000 pound ngiza nawo la kuzoba o-22,000 abawu-5. So that is why abantu abaningi abaphethe izwe noma abacindezeli bano connection phesheya, abanengane zabo ephesheya, because imali kuba lula ukuthi bayithole wena you are struggling. Wena ucompete nomuntu u-1,000 wakhe is equal to 22,000, wena u-1,000 wakho awilutho. Ukuze wenze 22,000 kumele usave 1,000 abawu-22, yena ukuze enze 22,000 kumele asave 1,000 owodwa baseBritain. Make money their main focus, but make it so difficult to accumulate. That's how you control a powerful and intelligent species. Ake siqhubeke. Uthi, tax them in every way possible, but tell them it is for their own benefit. Uthi ba-tax in every way possible. Kodwa futhi ubatshele ukuthi it's for their own good. I-tax izobasiza ukuthi kwenziwe umehluko, kusizoba ngenamali nani uyathexwa nje wena. Uthi umholo ungena into ethathwayo yokuqala i-tax, bese kulandela wena ukuthi uthole imali. Before uyithole imali yakho isuke isitaxiwe. Ngisho uthenga isitolo uyathexwa. It's for your own good. Uyasho kumlungu la uthi tax them in every way possible, but tell them it is for their own benefit, so that they don't think twice about paying it. Ngiyachaza, angidlulile kwephonto elilandelayo. Uthi umlungu, take so much of lesizwe, abo lesizwe lesi-intelligent, is powerful ukuze sibe under your control. Uthi take so much of their time and energy. Take so much of their time and energy throughout the week, isonto lonke, right? But give them 2 days to themselves, so they feel a sense of reward and don't fight back. Uthi thathi energy yabo nesikhathi sabo isonto lonke bese ubanika u2 days. Lo 2 days kubona uzoba i-reward kubona ukuze bengeke baze balwe against i-system. Khona la ethi, but give them 2 days to themselves, so they feel a sense of reward and don't fight back. Lo 2 days ulo obiza ngokuthi weekend. Ukubona ukuthi uzizwa kanjani mase kulihlanu, imfry namhlanje. Awu, ukubona ukuthi uzizwa kanjani mase kuyisonto sekuzoba umsombuluko. Those 2 days are for your reward, so that you don't fight back. You are trapped in the system. Sicela ukuthi sibambe la uzolandela upart 4. Sisayihlahlela nje saqhubeka nayo. Siyabonga.